Okay, all right. Now I'll be writing down the questions here because I have more space here. Let's talk about one last question. Okay. Now, obviously, the difficulty level would vary from question to question. It could be that you're getting a 2 mark question, and it could be that you are getting a 4 mark question from the same topic. Okay, so obviously, if it's a 4 mark question, you'll have to do more working, and if it's a 2 mark question, the working would be less. Okay, so for this, you need to do x cubed minus 2x squared divided by 8, division sign, and then we have x minus 2 divided by 4. Okay, now this is a 3 mark question and you have been asked to solve it. Okay, first of all, you can see of two fractions with a division sign. So for division, it's neither the LCM stuff nor you can multiply the numerator with numerator. It's different. First of all, let's just simplify. Let's just stay within the fraction and simplify. Now I can see that the numerator of the first fraction can be simplified. I can take something common, I can factorize it, and that something is x squared. I have x squared in the first term as well, and I have x squared in the second term, certainly. So I'll take x squared common, and this is going to give me x minus 2 divided by 8 would come as it is. Okay, then this division sign would be converted to multiplication and something would happen over here. I'm going to take the reciprocal of this fraction, so this would become 4 divided by x minus 2. Okay, so now I am in the position to cancel out stuff because I have multiplication sign between them. It's 1 times 4, it's 2 times x minus 2, and x minus 2 can be cancelled, and finally I am going to get x squared divided by 2, and this is going to be the answer. Very good, Ariba. That's correct. Very good, Umayza, that your answer was also correct. It's going to be x squared divided by 2. Yes, it's right, Ariba. Okay. All right. Okay. One question for you guys, just so I can see if you were able to understand the idea or not. Okay. T to the power 4 multiplied by t minus 2 divided by 5y multiplication sign 2y divided by t cubed. Okay. Please simplify this question and then tell me your answers.
Ma'am, where do I send you the answer?
I think better idea could be that you can just take picture of your answer and send it to me on my number directly on WhatsApp, or just type if you can, but typing would take time here. Or just do it, and then when I will do it, you guys can certainly see if you were able to do it or not. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes, just look at it and then we'll talk about it. Yes, so Miza, you can, definitely you can. Okay, let's see. Now again, two fractions with the multiplication sign means that I can certainly just, cancel out and simplify all of it. So y and y would be cancelled directly. I have t cubed here and I have t to the power 4 here. What I can do is I can just do t to the power 4 minus 3, because when bases are same and when the two numbers are being divided, I can subtract the powers. Okay, so this would be cancelled and I've written minus 3 over here. Next, I would get t power 1 into t minus 2 divided by 5. This is going to be the answer. Yes. Okay, yes. Let me explain this again. This is going to be the last thing for today. Let me explain this again, and those who were able to understand can leave.
Ma'am, where is the 2?
One second. Let me explain this again, because some of the students were not able to understand it. This was t cubed, okay? Yes, I missed the 2 as well, okay. This is the question. First of all, y and y can be cancelled. Obviously, because I have y power 1 and y power 1 in the denominator, so I can certainly cancel because I have multiplication sign between the two fractions. Next, I have t to the power 4 and t cubed here. I can cancel this and I can write minus 3 here. Okay, this is how we do it in indices as well. And if you don't want to apply indices, if you just want to think about it directly, just know that it would be 4 minus 3, because I had t cubed in the denominator. So I can just take that 3 to the numerator and it would become 4 minus 3. Next, I can write it as this 2 is left. 2 t power 4 minus 3 would give me t. Then we have t minus 2 divided by 5. This is going to be the answer. Yes, Amiza, were you able to understand it now? Okay, and what about the other students? Anything that you guys were not able to understand in this class?
No, ma'am, understood.
Okay. All right.
Understood, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay, so I sent some homework questions in the on Friday, and I got very few homeworks, Urva and Kabir, and then there was just another student who sent their homeworks. Please do those questions because they are for your practice, obviously. Yes, so Miza, just do them just so I get to see what exactly you guys are not able to understand, and then I'll talk about them. Okay, then I'll talk about them in tomorrow's class. So I'll see you tomorrow. In case of any changes in the class timings, I'll communicate, but I'll first of all I'll talk to the management about everything and then we'll do something about it. Okay, let me stop the recording.